Welcome to Spring Reader, where English idioms come to life. In just a couple of minutes, you'll learn the meaning, origin, and real-life examples you can use today. Let's get started. When someone says they've put blood, sweat, and tears into something, they mean they've given it absolutely everything: hard work, intense effort, and sometimes even personal sacrifice. It's not about real blood or tears most of the time, but about the feeling that you've poured your whole self into a task. The phrase became widely known after Winston Churchill used it in a famous 1940 speech, promising the British people nothing but blood, toil, tears, and sweat during the war. Here, toil means hard, continuous, and often exhausting work, the kind that demands both strength and persistence. For example, 1. Building this small business took blood, sweat, and tears. The owners worked long hours, faced setbacks, and still kept going until it succeeded. 2. Her award-winning novel was the result of blood, sweat, and tears. Months of writing, editing, and sleepless nights went into every chapter. 3. The team poured blood, sweat, and tears into the charity event. From planning to clean up, they gave it their all to raise money for a good cause. When you hear blood, sweat, and tears, think of moments where effort feels endless. Challenges are tough, but the result is deeply rewarding. It's a reminder that some of the best things in life don't come easy. They come from giving your absolute all. Thanks for joining us today on Spring Reader. If this idiom helped you or made you think, share it with a friend. They might enjoy it too. And if you'd like to keep growing your English in a fun and simple way, you're always welcome to subscribe and learn with us. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep the love for English alive.